Yan. So, shower of blessings to everyone. Congratulations. And again, happy anniversary, Crypto Worldwide. So palakpakan naman natin yung ating mga special guest. Yan, Mentor New Day, Coach Darrell, and syempre, the Vice President of ESCO, FNEAN. Yan. And syempre, palakpakan natin si Mentor Saro.
Watch the rising of the sun, the shadows start to run, standing at the start.
Ika Geraldine Cipriano, and anak ako ng former OFW. Okay? So, of course, I was a teenager dati na scared sa future kung ano nga bang mangyayari sa akin in the future. And of course, na nangangarap din na mabago ang lahat.
We hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go, we'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
So K stands for Keep Improving. So narinig ko to kay Mentor Saro na dapat everyday gumagaling ka. Dapat everyday natututo, nag-grow, nagle-level up. Dapat habang tumatagal ka sa networking, pagaling ka ng pagaling.
Every second that it takes is a sign we're on the way. Way to the rhythm of the moment that we're making. The silver lining we'll find is worth the waiting. I think we're on to something good. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could.
Rise and shine. Shine! Huwag kang papigil, di ba? Kung ngayon gabi, bukas ano? Liwanag. Dapat parang ang kristal. Dapat liliwanag ka. Di ba? Hindi dahil iniin mo yumaman, hindi. Dapat lalakas ang liwanag mo kasi marami kang bibigyan na liwanag.
And if we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could.
Kumbaga, talagang sabi ko sa sarili ko, gagalingan ko at sisipagan ko dito sa network. Kasi pag ginalingan ko at sinipagan ko sa network, grabe yung pwede kong makuha. So, 8 years na process. Pagdating ng 2022, nakuha ko yung first car ko, si Nami. And doon nag-start talaga na I can say na gumaan yung life ko. Na sabi ko nga, ang bilis ng 5 years kasi ilang buwan na lang tapos ko na yung
And if we
sasakyan ko.
hold on tight,